Did you know that 70 to 80% of jobs in the formal sector require a mathematics pass as a baseline qualification? Yet, every single year, over 50% of students in Trinidad and Tobago fail the CSEC math exam. This means that most of our students are being placed at a disadvantage in life, not because they aren't capable, but because they lack the right approach to learning math. My name is Jenna Lynn, and I represent the On1 company. At On1, we realize that the key to success isn't just hard work, it's a fresh perspective. That's why we've developed a revolutionary approach to teaching CSEC math. Our program tackles the root of the problem, fear. Did you know that many students develop a deep phobia of math and exams? This is why you often hear the phrase, math is hard. But with our Keys to Math success books, we've transformed learning into an enjoyable and simple experience. We've broken the concepts down so clearly that even a 10-year-old can confidently understand the CSEC math exam. This method makes learning math fun, approachable, and achievable for everyone. Unlike traditional methods that rely heavily on memorization, our approach employs a dynamic blend of techniques to teach CSEC math more effectively and efficiently. These include multiple teachers in the classroom for enhanced support, a focus on mental math to strengthen critical thinking and seamless projection through topics to ensure clarity and understanding, etc. We've seen incredible results. Students who once hated math are now thriving, not just in exams, but in life. And we want to bring this transformation to you. Imagine what your child or children could achieve if they passed CSEC math, if they had access to better job opportunities and brighter futures. We invite you to connect with us and see the difference we can make. Reach out to any of the listed options and let's arrange a meeting to see how On1 can benefit you. Allow our program to demonstrate how we can transform math education and empower your child or children to excel like never before.